How to use Lenz's law. So Lenz's law is a four-step process. We have something like, say, a wire carrying a current number 1 we could call it, and let's say that that current is increasing. That's important. And then we have a loop. Maybe it has a little resistor in it, like a light bulb, but no battery. And we're going to light the light bulb by changing this current. Here's the process. First, which way is the B field? So we're doing a right-hand rule, current this way, magnetic field wraps around it. So it's out on top, in on bottom. So out on this side, in on that side. So that's B direction. Now for delta B. Since it's increasing, we expect B to grow. And if B grows, then B and delta B point the same way. If B were shrinking, if the current were decreasing, B and delta B would point opposite ways. So, if it's increasing, that means delta B points the same way as B, and this is because it is increasing. The third step is which way is the magnetic field induced? This coil is going to be induced to create a countering magnetic field. This is the part that really is Lenz's law. It's that step 3, B induced, is always the opposite of delta B. So step 3 is always the opposite of step 2. Finally, step 4 is which way does current have to flow around this loop in order to make that magnetic field? Right-hand rule, if the B is this way, the current is going to be that way, counterclockwise. That's Lenz's law. So let's see another example. Let's suppose we have a magnet, north end, and it has a velocity moving towards a loop. And I'm going to say this is the front of the loop. Now, magnetic field comes out of north, so the B field points this way. Now, do we expect the B field to be getting stronger or weaker? It's getting closer, so we expect the field to be stronger. Therefore, delta B points the same way because it's increasing. The B induced is always the exact opposite. And now the current induced. Right-hand rule, it must be going this way. So seen from the right, that's clockwise. So the way I would draw that on this is I would put a big up arrow and little down arrows to indicate it goes down and back. So as seen from the right, it's clockwise. That's Lenz's law.